Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Elizabeth and I'm your host for Share and Shop with the Mint Julep. The Mint Julep is dressing up the showroom for Christmas. And so today I'm just going to give you a quick preview of the showroom. I hope you enjoy it. We hope you enjoyed this short video of our showroom dressed up for Christmas. If you'd like to shop all the things, then go online at mintjulepdecor.com and add to cart. If you'd like to come out to our showroom and shop, our address is 1129 Ridge Road in Rockwell, Texas. We would love to see you. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and follow our channel. We hope all of you have a wonderful rest of the week, and we look forward to sharing something with you next week. Take care.